decided to quickly stop at the Don Don Donkey across our condo building because there are a few last things that I still need to get before leaving Bangkok. So I've decided to just take my time to go over everything and see if I need anything. There are also a few last things that I want to bring back to the Netherlands as souvenirs for friends and family. So hopefully it will be a successful last trip to the Don Don for now, and that I'm able to get everything that I need. And it's so funny to see the difference from the Don Don Donkey in Japan, in Osaka, as I visited that one as well. It was so much larger than this one, of course, but still there are quite a few familiar products. There's one product that I'm definitely taking with me for myself and for Jeppe. I've bought this in Japan for the first time for the flight, and it was so nice. It's like a steaming eye mask. This is another scent than I had the last time, because last time I had lavender, but they don't have it over here. But I'm already so happy that they actually had the eye mask at this Don Don as well, because I used it in the plane while flying, and for the first time ever I fell asleep so easily. So definitely taking these two for the long flight that's coming my way. Ta-da! As you can see, I bought so much at the Don Don, and also a few small things at 7-Eleven. Because I already mentioned that it might be one of the last times for now that I'm visiting the store. So I bought a few things that I wanted to show you, because I think there are also great tips if you're looking for like souvenirs to take home from your trip to Thailand or Bangkok. So let's go over everything together. Starting off with some beauty products that I've bought for myself also. It's this Japanese hyaluronic acid and also this lotion. And I know that everything from this brand is actually so popular, so you can find it at Don Don. Then something else that I saw is like a shoe gum, something to clean it. So that's great. Then a few things that I am taking with me to the Netherlands for myself is these hand warmers, so nice, and also heat patches. Also great things to bring back for friends and family. I already mentioned it in the store, but the heat eye masks, I love it. This is such a great product, so you can also buy larger boxes. Great gift as well. Then I've got so many hair care treatments because they didn't have like the big boxes. And I've got these at 7-Eleven, but honestly they're great also to bring back for friends and family. So a few different hair masks. Got some pen, because Japanese stationery is the bomb. Also some toothpaste. They have lots of different kinds at the Don Don. And that's it. I'm gonna be buying more souvenirs later on next week, so I might show you that as well. Just a few tips. And you might be wondering, I already mentioned it in Don Don. What do you mean with leaving Bangkok? Well, let's catch up. Because yes, it's true, I'm leaving Bangkok, and as you can see, the suitcases are already laying down ready to be packed today. But before I start or finish my packing, let's talk about leaving Bangkok. Because when I've settled down in Bangkok around 6 months ago, this was definitely not our plan. But sometimes plans change, new opportunities rise, and yeah, you just need to go with the flow and be a bit flexible, or well, in our case. So that means that I'm actually leaving Bangkok for now. Of course, I still have my DTV visa, so I will definitely be coming back. I actually already have a trip back to Bangkok and Thailand planned for April with family. But for now, we're leaving. Tomorrow, we are actually also leaving our condo. Then we will still have a week left in Bangkok before my flight back to the Netherlands. I've already mentioned that in one of my previous videos. I will be visiting the Netherlands for around 2 weeks, going by friends and family. Lots of fun things planned already, so if you don't want to miss out on anything of that, definitely consider to subscribe. But yeah, in the end it means that a lot of things are gonna change again. I mean, packing up that whole suitcase, getting all of my stuff, and I think it's gonna be such an exciting time, a new time of course, but there are coming so many new adventures. I also have a girls trip planned. So yeah, I'm just really looking forward to all of these months. Of course, I feel sad on one side for leaving Bangkok, but on the other side, I'm also grateful for what it's giving me those last couple of months and for all of the experiences and opportunities here. And now it's time for another new chapter. Of course, I'm gonna bring you along with me during the whole adventures, or well, it's actually more my ongoing life. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up with you, inform you about all of those changes. And for now, it's a priority to finish my suitcase because I've gathered quite a bit of stuff. And also clean, of course, the condo because we will be leaving that one as well. Please don't ask me how, but the first big suitcase is packed. It's also closed. It's really a wonder. I still need to get some packing cubes. I think I will be doing that at Terminal 21 or somewhere. So I need to open it, of course, at the hotel tomorrow and repack everything. But for now, it's packed. I do need to book like extra luggage for my flight to the Netherlands because when I booked that first flight, I wasn't prepared. I wasn't aware that I would be leaving Bangkok completely. So there's a lot more luggage that needs to go with me, but I'm really happy that this first one is packed. I'm not sure if I told it in my last video, but I actually got new glasses in Japan because I saw so many people online talking about getting glasses in Japan. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get my eyes tested. It was like more than okay, but I still got one pair just for when I'm working behind my laptop or reading or anything, and it's this one. I'm so happy with it. They're sitting so comfortable. So from now on, you will see me with these on. For now, I've decided to take my laptop downstairs into a meeting room, also because I do have a few work calls planned for today. I also need to work later in the evening, so I'm doing a bit now and also around 9-ish. But that's totally fine. Looking forward to the work today. And I mean, my last day here at Park Origin, I still need to use all of the amenities that are actually available. So I'm doing that right now. I'm also probably going to be ordering a smoothie. I think something healthy, but a nice snack also because I will be having dinner a bit later due to a call. So yeah, that's it for the afternoon. I was thinking about how I want to spend my last night here in our condo. I have two things. Oh, well, besides finishing up work around 9, so that's still a few hours away, I'm currently filling up the bathtub because of course for the last evening I need to go in the bath, and I have one thing from Lush left. I already showed it in a couple of videos back as one of my gifts, but it's this, and I know Christmas season is over, but I'm gonna use this. It's actually a bubble bar. It smells so nice. And I also have this face mask out of Japan, or well, I bought it in Japan, so I'm gonna be using that as well. It needs to be at least 2 to 3 hours, so I might just put it on before I go to sleep. I thought it's a perfect night, and just enjoying my time with Jeppe, as I said, around 9ish, finishing off my last work for today, and just enjoying a cozy evening in the condo, and thinking back about those last 6 months that we've got to live here and get to create new memories here. I just came out of the bath and it was such a nice ending of today. I'm gonna chill, relax, wait a bit before I need to finish my work, and I'm gonna put on my face mask. But with that being said, I'm gonna close down this video as well. Thank you so much for joining me along here for the last full day in our condo here in Bangkok, or well, for now. I think it was another amazing day, and I'm looking forward to next week where we'll be staying in a Sok area in a hotel, although of course it's gonna take a bit of adjusting, but it's still gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna film a few different videos as well, so you will definitely see the hotel in one of those. And if you don't want to miss out on anything Bangkok, Netherlands, Cyprus, France, then definitely don't forget to subscribe. It would mean a whole lot. So thank you once more. I hope to see you at the next video. Bye.